Hi.
Hello, Lisa here.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Yes, how are you?
Good, I'm good.
Welcome to 17.
Okay, come, let's go and see. Wow, nice house. Okay, so my name is Jordan and we're going to just run through this house. This is a 10243 bedroom, 2 bathroom unit. When you come in straight, you have a living room in front of you here already. Alright, so you can put your sofa here, your TV cabinet and your TV will be here. So when you walk all the way straight in here, you have the door and then you have a balcony which have Mount Kiara Taman Ton view. Alright, so this is the very clear view of it. On this side is Taman Ton, Gromac, in front is all the golf course, and there is KLCC. On a clear day you will be able to see KLCC and all the KL stuff. Okay, that is Mount Kiara. Okay, so now we are turning back. Yeah, okay, so when you turn backwards this way, you notice it's a very long space. This part here is where you put your dining table, okay? Yeah, and then this is what they call the closed concept kitchen. Yeah, when you walk in here, first thing is that you have your fridge down here on the left side. This is the plug. Okay, you open your fridge, then you can go here and cook. You got a 3-piece induction cooker and also a 2-piece sink. Right, this is the hood and the hob. Yeah, and then you have the yard behind. The owner has already installed a grill. Okay, so good. Washing machine, in and out, plug is there. Okay, so this cabinet all is also in good condition. Ample space. And then when you look at the left side, on the far most with the front view is actually the master bedroom. It is spacious enough to put a queen size bed or even a king if you want. Your bed will be here like this. And this thing is a TV plug. You can put a TV on the bracket. Okay, it comes with a built-in wardrobe. Yeah, alright. And also a shower. Yeah, it comes with a windscreen, rainfall shower, and also a sink, WC, and a mirror. Behind of this is the aircon ledge. Yeah, aircon is here. Okay, alright, so moving on. This is the second room. Yeah, this one you can fit a single bed with a wardrobe and some side table. Yeah, queen bed might be a little bit tight. And then you have the third room, which is also is bigger than the second room, but smaller than the master room. So you can also fit a queen size bed down here. Yeah, and also a wardrobe, a study table. So now we are going to look at the bathroom. This is the common bathroom. You can see it's very spacious. It doesn't come with a shower screen, and it has a built-in water heater with also a rain shower, water, WC, and also a sink with a mirror. Yeah. All right. Okay. Good. So that brings an end. So let's say a bye to Lisa. So.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested to buy this unit, Lisa here. You can contact me for viewing. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you for showing us the unit. Okay. So let's go. All right.